First we will see how sorting will be done in selection sort. We will take an example of array and do sorting using selection sort. Let's say we will set current minimum value with red arrow and current item with green for better understanding. And also remember the if condition that is being used to sort the array. That if the current item in the array is smaller than the minimum index in the array, then we will update the minimum index, and after that we will swap the values. Let's say we have an array of size 6 that contains some values, and we have to sort the array. At the beginning, we will set the current minimum and the current item at the first index. Now the current item will move forward. If we find the minimum value which is less than the current minimum, then he will update the current minimum value. And is 78 is less than 62? Yes, so the current minimum value will be updated. The current item will again move forward. Is the current item is less than the current minimum? Yes, he will again update the current minimum value. The current item will move forward until he reaches to the last index. This time, the current minimum value is smaller, so the current minimum value will not be updated. Now, the current item has completed its first iteration, and the minimum value of the first iteration is 15. Now 15 will be swapped by the first index. 78 and 15 will be swapped, and the new array we will get 15, 62, 78, 49, 36 and 84. After one iteration we have the minimum value at the first index. Now for the second iteration, the current minimum and current item will be start from the index 1. Again, the current item will move forward and find the minimum value. It is still smaller, so the current minimum value will not be updated. Here, the current item is smaller than the current minimum, so the current minimum value will be updated. Current item will move forward. Again, current item is smaller than the current minimum. Current item will move forward and reaches to the last index, and the minimum value found at the second iteration is 36. So the 36 will be swapped by the first index. The next array after second iteration we will get 15, 36, 78, 49, 62 and 84. The third iteration we will start current minimum and current item from second index. Again, current item will move forward. Current item is smaller than the current minimum, so it will again update himself. Current item will move forward. At this point 49 is minimum, so it will be swapped by the second index, which is 78. After that, the next array we will get is this time current minimum and current item will be start from the third index. Current item will move forward until he finds the minimum. Current item is smaller, so current minimum will be updated. Current item will move forward. 62 is smaller in this iteration, so it will be swapped third index. Current minimum and current item will be start from 78. Current item will move forward and nothing will be swapped. For the last index we don't have to check because the array has already been sorted.